Hello guys, we are from Group 1 and we are in Jumog Waterfall. And this is our group member.
Hello, my name is Jovita Fidelia Nafisah from class 1He and my hobby is traveling.
Hello, my name is Atha Ardelia from class 1He and my hobby is listening to music.
Hi guys, my name is Angga from class 1H and my hobby is editing.
My name is Galih Satria Nugroho, kelas 1A.
Hello everyone, my name is Bernardino, Realino, Galih, Mahardika. You can call me Bernard, and I class H. And my hobbies are playing musical instruments and playing video games.
Hello guys, my name is Johan Bayu Kusuma Ajie from class 1H and my hobby is playing games and badminton.
Hi guys, my name is Robby, Hendry, Renaldi. I am from class 1H and my hobby is playing game.
Hi guys, I will take you to the Jumog Waterfall. So Jumog Waterfall is located at Karanganyar Virtual Village and Nugroho district. Precisely, waterfall is located at foot of Lawu, and I think you will take 41 km from Solo, maybe 1 hour on travel.
Okay guys, I will description about Jumog Waterfall. So this place have cool air and shady breeze surround this tourist spot. You won't overheat because the stair made of cement on the shed of the fern trees on the other side of the stair attached to the cliff. Indeed, after up the stairs, you don't immediately find the waterfall. You still have to walk about 100 meters to find it behind the cliff. But the cool atmosphere and refreshing green scenery will not make you bored at him. So I'm gonna tell you about a short story Jumog Waterfall. So before it was officially opened to public in the 2004, Jumog Waterfall was once nicknamed it's Lost Paradise. Why the name is Lost Paradise? Because the waterfall is covered by grasses, then everybody can see a waterfall. Then eventually residents and the virtual village government work together to clean the grasses and open the roof so the waterfall was seen by the public.
The waterfall is only about 13 meters high. The water descent is not too big even when in line and not too little even when the dry season comes. The water is clean and fresh, usually. Pixar can fly and solve themselves fast in the river flow to continue the overall of the waterfall. Other facilities provide the manager include children's rider in from poverty house, swings, and climbing wall. There is also a swimming pool for children. However, there are not many weather trees available other than the packet. If you didn't bring any food with you, You don't have to worry about that. There is an array of stalls that prepare a variety of food and beverage.
Advantages of Jumog Waterfall. Attraction water source. Jumog Waterfall covers from spring weather. Availability of external facilities that can make tourists want to visit Jumog Waterfall tourist object.
Hello guys, I'm B. I will explain about ticket price and authorizing hour at the Jumog Waterfall. The entrance ticket price for at the Jumog Waterfall is 20,000 rupiah per person, and you must prepare for some money for parking at the Jumog Waterfall. The second one is the Jumog Waterfall is open daily, but with different authorizing hour for weekdays and weekend. Weekdays like Monday until Friday is open on 18 a.m. until 4 p.m. And then weekends like Saturday and Sunday is open on 18 a.m. until 5:30 p.m. And I recommend you come here. I think maybe weekends, because you can spend with your family in your waterfall.
Okay guys, so that's it for the Jumog Waterfall tourist spot. The place is very nice, right? So what are you waiting for? Let's go straight to the Jumog Waterfall immediately and enjoy the atmosphere here. And thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching.